My name's Jacob. I'm a baritone and I make my living, or was making my living, singing opera. I was definitely very stressed for the first one because I just really didn't know it was coming and I had like almost performance anxiety about it. But have a plan for your introductory lesson, which is pretty by the minute. So you've got 5 minutes for introduction and you've got 5 minutes for, the anatomy of the voice, and you've got 10 minutes or 7 minutes for warm up and 7 minutes for happy birthday, and then 6 minutes for the follow up, and have that all planned ahead of time. And then also, like, there's going to be some iterative building, but have your follow up email ready and know what that kind of looks like. Great working with you. Insert line about what you liked about the student. Tell the Tunelark team that you're starting lessons here, and then here's a bulleted list of your homework, including your link to the Tunelark classroom, your link to the pitch pipe app, whatever it is. Look forward to seeing you next time. So the more kind of structure you have, the better. And that's maybe how you begin. And then in terms of continuing, like, you need to continue delivering good work to the student, and you need to have a sense of the student's goals in a short and long term, and just act accordingly. So make sure you're always not just in touch with the student about what's happening in this hour, but you are thinking about, okay, my student has an audition for Pippin in 3 months and we want to do XYZ by then, or my student wants to get an EP out the door in 6 weeks and we want to have blah 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 done, et cetera, et cetera.